On 28 September 2025, AstroSat, India's first multi-wavelength space observatory dedicated for astronomy, completed a decade filled with groundbreaking discoveries and dedicated service to the global scientific community. AstroSat was launched aboard the PSLV C-30 on 28 September 2015 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. AstroSat is capable of observing the universe simultaneously in broad energy range from ultraviolet, visible, and high-energy X-rays, rendering it a powerful tool for understanding various cosmic phenomena. AstroSat began its scientific journey by solving a two-decade-old puzzle involving a red giant star unusually bright in both ultraviolet light and infrared. Since then, it has continued to deliver remarkable results. Among its many outstanding discoveries is the detection of far-UV photons from an astonishing distance of around 9 billion light-years captured using the sharpest, wide-angle UV eye in space, showing that the emission from Butterfly Nebula extends 3 times more than earlier known size. X-ray polarization studies, a star reliving its youth, merging of galaxies, discovery of very fast-spinning black holes, and numerous other findings on X-ray emission from binary stars in the Milky Way are also on the listed achievements of AstroSat. AstroSat is a real example of multi-institute mission. In addition to major ISRO centers like URSC, LEOS, SAC, VSSC, PRL, many Indian research institutes like TIFR, IIA, IUCAI have contributed to the development of 4 out of the 5 scientific payloads on board AstroSat. OVID and SXT also collaborated with Canadian Space Agency and University of Leicester, UK respectively, making AstroSat a true international collaboration effort. The global nature of AstroSat becomes more prominent when we consider the users of AstroSat. It has a registered user base close to 3,400 from 57 countries world over, from countries like US to Afghanistan and Angola. Within India, AstroSat has helped popularize space science, bringing astrophysics research into 132 Indian universities. About half of the observatory's users are Indian scientists and students, fostering a new generation of astronomers. Though AstroSat has far exceeded its design life, all the 5 scientific experiments on board AstroSat are working satisfactorily, and the observatory is expected to continue to provide many more new and exciting results in the coming years.